Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an app. It's called non-shopping application online marketplace. So how can you get this app? So you have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then search non-shopping application, and you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so it's really customer friendly and people like this. And you can see 499k reviews. It means 499 thousands plus people already write something about this app. And you can see 100 million size of the app, and 10 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So shop million of authentic products and brands from the comfort of home. So if you want to get this app, so what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today it's no more, and thank you for watching the video.